This particular move that you're looking at right now made me about $2,000, which is about 40,000 kwacha right now in literally 5 minutes of a move right here. All right, so let me show you exactly what happened before all this. So this was my entry, this was my exit, this was the proof of me with having the withdrawal and everything else. All right, so let's get started right now. So you can see that this was shared in our premium signals community right here around 12 hours in the afternoon. What we had was a nice drop based rally formed by a QML and also by big momentum candles, which we broke structure right here. Apart from that, what did we have? We had clear liquidity which was left behind right here, and then also the Asian low was taken out right here. And then once that happened, we just waited for the market to come into our area, and then once that happened, I was able to actually send this particular signal in our premium signals community. 16 pip stop loss and 322 pips target right here. It was about the 1:17 risk reward ratio, and you can see that at around 1309 the market just made one move, just one move, and guess what? It was game over. We're up around 2,500, and then the market ended up retracing and ended up getting out with about $2,000 right here. And you can see right here I was able to tell the community to secure a profit, and then after some time I saw that the market was starting to retrace, and we were able to actually tell the community to exit. And the beautiful thing about it is that it wasn't just only me that took this particular trade. Over 70 students took this particular trade, and you can see some were comfortable to share their trades right here. Results, this made about $205, and then there's another guy who made like $1,900. Let me just show you right here. This guy made about $1,900, which is just absolutely amazing. This trade ended up just working out in a beautiful way, and we secured that win right here. Right here I showed the process of withdrawing this money, and this was the money in my crypto account, which is about 39,000 kwacha, which is about 40,000 kwacha right here. And I'm going to show you more screenshots right here of the withdrawal and everything else. Let's now break down the trade and we'll see what happened, right? So you can see that if you now go to the 1 hour time frame, you'll be able to appreciate this even more. Okay, so what did we have? We had a nice drop base rally. Look at the character of candles that formed this. It's a drop base rally made with big momentum candles, and whenever I see that, I know that there's a high chance that the market may come, right? So what happened here? The market ended up taking out all this liquidity right here, taking out the Asian low, and then literally just came and touched my area, and we saw the market push to the upside. And for my stop loss, I was just targeting, my stop loss was just below right here. For my target was actually way up, like I showed you. However, when I saw the market start to reverse like this, I was like, you guys, just get out, and that's how we got out on this particular trade. Otherwise, for my order block, I just got the high and the low of that particular candle, and then just took it to the right side. Just simple as that. And then waited for the market to come to this area, and you can see that the market literally just did this in one move, just one move from here to here. It was literally just few minutes, and then the market came all the way to take profit. For my initial target, I was actually targeting, let me just show you, I was targeting a zone up above right here. Initially I was looking at this zone right here. However, when I saw the price action change, I was like, okay, let's get out, let's secure a profit, because at this particular point we've made money, and the worst that can happen is actually lose all that money that we've made. That would be really, really, really bad. Yeah, otherwise this was a beautiful trade, and congrats to the members of our premium signals community for actually having taken this particular trade right here. And of course, you're missing out definitely if you're not in our premium signals community, and you can take advantage of that now by actually getting involved in the promotion that we are running right now, which is a 40% off on our mentorship on our mentorship program right here, where you get to learn the strategy, you get lifetime mentorship, you get lifetime signals, you get trading psychology, and all the knowledge, the one-on-one sessions, and all that. Instead of you paying $500, you literally just pay $300 and you have access to all this. And here's the catch: we are only looking for 5 serious students who already know about trading but are not consistently profitable. Those are the ones that we're willing to work with right now, and they'll be added in our mentorship community right here. So all you have to do is just DM me mentor on WhatsApp or Telegram, and I'll be able to actually have you join this particular promotion. And remember, this is limited time only, valid till tomorrow, so make sure you take advantage of this before it actually goes away. All right, so you guys, I really hope you found some value in this video, and I just thought I would share this, and I thought I would actually share this beautiful trade breakdown right here. All right, so you guys, until next time, goodbye.